Here's a list of 100 facts about the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi. 1. Located in Abu Dhabi, UAE. 2. Named after Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founder of the UAE. 3. Construction began in 1996 and completed in 2007. 4. The mosque covers an area of 30 acres. 5. It is one of the largest mosques in the world. 6. Capacity of over 40,000 worshippers. 7. Features 82 domes of different sizes. 8. The main dome is the largest, with a height of 85 meters. 9. The mosque's courtyard is one of the largest in the world. 10. The courtyard is adorned with intricate floral designs. 11. The mosque's minarets are 107 meters tall, totaling 4 in number. 12. It combines styles from various Islamic architectural traditions. 13. The mosque is one of Abu Dhabi's most important landmarks. 14. It features a reflective pool that enhances its beauty. 15. The chandelier in the main prayer hall is one of the largest in the world. 16. Made of Swarovski crystals and gold-plated. 17. Weighs approximately 12 tons. 18. The mosque has 1,000 columns throughout its interior. 19. Constructed using white Macedonian marble. 20. Features more than 28 different types of stones and materials. 21. The mosque is noted for its intricate tile work. 22. Houses the world's largest hand-knotted carpet. 23. The carpet covers 5,627 square meters. 24. The mosque has a unique blend of modern and traditional designs. 25. Completed in a record time of just over 11 years. 26. Open to visitors of all faiths. 27. The entrance is adorned with magnificent floral designs. 28. It is illuminated at night, creating a stunning visual effect. 29. The mosque was designed by the late architect Yusuf Abdelki. 30. It's a symbol of peace, tolerance, and diversity. 31. The design incorporates elements from Persian, Mughal, and Moorish architecture. 32. Hosts various cultural events and exhibitions. 33. Tourists from around the world visit the mosque annually. 34. Entry is free of charge for visitors. 35. The mosque has strict dress codes for visitors. 36. Guided tours are available in multiple languages. 37. The mosque features a beautiful library. 38. It promotes interfaith dialogue and understanding. 39. Has an educational center promoting Islamic teachings. 40. The foundation stone was laid by Sheikh Zayed in 1996. 41. His vision was to create a space that brings people together. 42. Employs sustainable technologies in its design. 43. Contains inscriptions of verses from the Quran. 44. The design reflects the Islamic cultural heritage. 45. The mosque's gardens are beautifully landscaped. 46. It features numerous fountains and water features. 47. Is a popular site for photography and weddings. 48. Celebrates Islamic holidays with special events. 49. Hosts the annual Ramadan events. 50. The mosque can be seen from various locations in Abu Dhabi. 51. The building's exterior is polished to reflect sunlight beautifully. 52. Has become a cultural icon of the UAE. 53. Features marble with gold accents throughout. 54. Beautiful arabesque patterns adorn the walls. 55. The mosque has a dedicated area for women. 56. It reflects the artistic heritage of the UAE. 57. Each dome structure is intricately designed with floral motifs. 58. offers an immersive spiritual experience for visitors. 59. The mosque encourages respect for all religions. 60. Hosts various art exhibitions focusing on Islamic art. 61. Provides educational resources about Islam. 62. The special lighting effects change the mosque's appearance at night. 63. Its construction used over 2 million pieces of marble. 64. The mosque integrates energy-efficient designs. 65. There are over 40,000 lights illuminating the mosque. 66. The mosque has been a host for numerous dignitaries. 67. It embodies the values of the UAE's cultural heritage. 68. The architectural style is characterized by grandeur and elegance. 69. The main prayer hall can accommodate up to 10,000 worshippers. 70. The mosque attracts millions of visitors each year. 71. Acts as a focal point for interfaith dialogue. 72. It promotes Islamic art and culture through different initiatives. 73. The building rises majestically against the Abu Dhabi skyline. 74. The mosque utilizes advanced technology for security and visitor management. 75. Offers a serene environment for prayer and reflection. 76. The mosque is central to various educational initiatives in the region. 77. Has been recognized as an architectural masterpiece globally. 78. The landscaping includes native flora of the region. 79. Its design emphasizes symmetry and harmony. 80. The mosque features intricately decorated entrances. 81. Serves as a venue for cultural and religious gatherings. 82. The mosque's beauty enhances during sunset. 83. Engages with local communities in outreach programs. 84. Conducts community tours for schools and organizations. 85. The mosque has been featured in travel documentaries. 86. It plays a significant role in promoting tourism in Abu Dhabi. 87. Emphasizes sustainability through its gardens and water systems. 88. The mosque's acoustics make it ideal for prayers and gatherings. 89. It promotes a sense of community among worshippers. 90. The mosque's architecture is a blend of ancient and modern techniques. 91. It stands as a beacon of hope in the region. 92. The surrounding areas have been developed into cultural zones. 93. The mosque has interactive displays explaining its significance. 94. There are provisions for visitors with disabilities. 95. The mosque has a distinctive design that reflects UAE's identity. 96. Hosts annual Ramadan iftar for community members. 97. It is a testament to Sheikh Zayed's commitment to peace. 98. The mosque has been awarded several architectural accolades. 99. Serves as a focal point for national celebrations. 100. Its beauty and tranquility make it one of the world's top destinations. These facts highlight the architectural, cultural, and spiritual significance of the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque.